Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be doing a frontal install. We're going to start off with the bald cap method, which is used to protect her edges from any adhesive. And to do this, you can use either spritz or holding spray like what I'm using, or you can use gel. And you're going to pretty much outline her edges through the cap, and once you let it dry, you're going to cut off the excess cap, and that gives her the bald cap. Once you've cut off the excess cap, you're going to use a foundation of your choice that matches your client's skin tone, and you're going to cover the cap. And this will be useful later when we're putting down her frontal, because it'll help blend that cap underneath so you don't see any lines and it's nice and seamless. I didn't show it on camera, but you're also going to put the foundation on her frontal as well, and that helps with the whole meltdown process. After that, you're going to clean the client's skin with Seabreeze or 91% alcohol, and then you're going to apply your adhesive of choice. I'm using Ghost Bond, but there's several different kinds that you can use, whatever works best for you. You're going to apply at least 3 to 4 layers and allow the glue to dry clear with each layer that you put on, so you can make sure that it's fully dry before you apply your frontal. Frontals are team efforts, so allow your client to help you as you're putting it down, just to make sure that it's all setting in place. You can have her hold each side as you lay it down, and take the back of your comb and kind of work the lace into the glue. And then once you're done, you're going to cut it into sections, and then use a scissors at a kind of a jagged cut to make sure that it's not a straight line. Or you can use what I use, which is an eyebrow archer, and that helps to give it that natural cut as well. And once you're done cutting off the lace, you're just going to make sure that all the loose ends are tacked down, if there are any. If not, you're just going to move on to cutting off the ear tabs, because no client is going to be perfect with the frontal, so you're always going to have to cut off some type of lace off each end. Once you've done that, you're going to use your setting foam of choice. I always use Nairobi to kind of smooth back the frontal, and then you're going to apply your silk wrap or your end strips and sit them under the dryer so you can start that melt. Once you've let it dry for about 10-15 minutes, you're going to then add the remainder of the bundles into your client's head. I always just leave the silk wrap on it until I'm finished, just because you can never get too much of a melt with lace. Once you're done sewing, you can go ahead and take that wrap off and you should have a nice blended, melted lace. Once you're done with that, you can go ahead and decide where you want your part to be, whether you want baby hairs or not, and then we move on to styling. Like I said, I like my lace to be melted, like coming out your scalp melted. So we decided we weren't going to do any baby hairs, and I just molded it back to where it needed to be. We decided on the side part, so I tied her hair back up as I put in some nice body curls, and we're good to go. She is slayed. Yes, what lace? That's how your lace should look once you've done all the proper steps. And we've just added some nice big curls to it. And she is all set. Thank you guys for watching.